A broken bar is the BMW S1000XR, a machine that blends superbike performance with long-distance touring comfort. Today, we're going to dive deep into what makes this sport touring beast one of the most exciting motorcycles in its class. It's fast. It's comfortable. It's loaded with tech. But is it really the ultimate all-rounder? Let's find out. From the first glance, the S1000XR screams aggression. It borrows styling cues from the S1000RR Superbike but with a more upright, adventure-ready stance. Every line is designed with aerodynamics in mind, and the build quality is pure BMW. Premium finishes, sharp edges, and a look that means business. Under the fairing sits a 999cc inline-4 engine producing around 165 horsepower. That means blistering acceleration, a 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds. But unlike a pure sport bike, the XR delivers that power in a way you can actually enjoy all day, thanks to smooth power delivery and multiple riding modes. This is where the XR shines. Upright ergonomics, an adjustable windscreen, and long travel suspension make it perfect for cross-country rides. Heated grips, cruise control, and a plush seat mean you can chase horizons without feeling beat up at the end of the day. BMW packs the S1000XR with tech, cornering ABS, dynamic traction control, a bidirectional quickshifter, and a crisp TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Every feature is designed to keep you safe and make riding more enjoyable, whether you're on twisty mountain roads or high-speed highways. The BMW S1000XR is a rare blend of superbike DNA and touring practicality. It's not just a bike, it's a passport to endless roads. If you want one machine that does it all, this might just be it. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments. Say, would you choose the S1000XR over a pure sport bike or adventure bike? What if you could have superbike performance, a broken bar with the comfort to ride all day? This is the BMW S1000XR, the sport tourer that promises the best of both worlds. Today we're taking a deep dive into the BMW S1000XR design, performance, comfort, tech, and whether it really earns the title of the ultimate all-rounder. By the end, you'll know if this is your next dream bike. The S1000XR has an aggressive stance, inspired by the S1000RR Superbike, but with the taller ride height and touring ergonomics. From the asymmetric LED headlights to the aerodynamic fairing and muscular tank, it's unmistakably BMW. Build quality: impeccable. Every panel fits perfectly, paint finishes pop in the sunlight, and the overall look says one thing: speed, with purpose. At the heart is BMW's 999cc inline-4, pumping out around 165 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 114 Nm of torque. That means 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds, seriously quick for a touring-capable bike. But it's not just about raw numbers. The XR delivers its power in a smooth, usable way. The ride-by-wire throttle is precise, the quickshifter makes gear changes addictive, and multiple riding modes let you tame or unleash the beast depending on the road ahead. Unlike a full-on sport bike, you can actually ride the XR all day. The upright seating position, wide bars, and adjustable windscreen take pressure off your wrists and neck. The suspension, electronically adjustable, soaks up bumps but still feels planted in corners. Add heated grips, cruise control, and optional panniers, and you've got the bike that's just as happy crossing countries as it is carving mountain passes. BMW doesn't skimp on tech. The 6.5-inch TFT display is crystal clear and connects to your phone for navigation and music. Safety tech includes cornering ABS, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, and hill start assist. You also get adjustable engine braking and suspension settings at the touch of a button. Every system works seamlessly in the background, letting you focus on the ride. The S1000XR is for riders who want one bike to do it all: a sport performance, touring comfort, and high-tech features. Pros: explosive performance, comfort over long distances, and premium BMW build. Cons: at over 200 kilograms weight, it's not a featherweight. And while the price is justified by the spec, it's still a premium investment. The BMW S1000XR isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that you don't have to choose between performance and comfort. If you can only have one bike in your garage, a broken bar, this might just be it. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel Bike Master.